Look who's waking up to see you. This is Lila. She's a 1-year-old domestic short hair. She's all black and she's a cutie pie. Lila, come on out and see us. She's 1 year old, and yeah, of course I turn the camera on and Lila decides to pick now to be shy. Can you see her? Can you see Lila? Hi, buddy. Yeah, Lila loves for you to pet her. She doesn't want you to pet her on her backside or near her tail, but other than that, she just loves the attention. She really does. She's a little bit on the shy side. All the other cats are out on what we call the floor. They're out of their cages and running around, and right now our shelter is filled to capacity. We have every cage is filled. That's not always the case, although most often it is. So we've got a lot of cats here, a lot of kittens, we've got some adult cats as well, some cats ranging in age from 4 months to 9 years right now. And she's been kind of hanging out in her cage. She's not come out on the floor to interact with the other cats. I think she's a little shy and she's new to the shelter, so you know, it can be a little daunting to be at a new shelter with all of these sights and smells and noises and different people. So she's finding her way, but we're hoping to get her a loving home. Again, this is Lila. She's 1 year old. She's had all of her shots and she's looking for her forever home. So please do give her a chance.